Well, hey everybody, how are we doing today? Welcome to Misfits Adventures. And hey, guess what we're doing today? We're going to check something out, a new product out. These nice folks over here at Velcro, they sent me this insect bite healer. It is a USB-C, so it fits on your phone, so you don't have to have any of the messy lotions or any of the sprays or any of that stuff. If you get bit by a bug, it soothes it with heat. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if this works or not, but we're going to try this thing out. You can also go to the Apple Store. It works with Apple. It also works with the Google apps and on Google Play. So all the Android products also it works on. What you do is you just plug it in to your USB-C on the bottom of your phone where you charge your phone up to. And what it does is just it starts up after you download the app. It has some nice little music to it and a little bubbly music when it's ready to go. And then it starts it. On the back, it does show you all the different things that you can do with it, how it looks and everything else over here. So this is it there. I don't know if this thing works or not, but we are definitely going to try it. I definitely want to see if it's going to work. They sent it to me about a month and a half ago. We were busy doing the air conditioner and I never got a chance to do it yet. So we're going to go ahead and do it. My apologies to the folks there that we did not get a chance. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It is going to fit on my keychain so I can take it anywhere I want to take it. It heats up and I don't have to carry any chemicals or anything to put down on, like for the kids and everything, for the grandkids. So this product, I think it's kind of space-aged, actually, if you think about it. Fits on your phone, takes care of business, just like all the other apps do. The app is real easy to use, real simple, only has a couple steps to do. You can set the temperature by soothing or, medium heat or long heat or short heat. You can send it for children or adults, I guess. Hey, let's check it out, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box now. Push this up. Whoop, look, there it is. I'm going to take it out. Got to take it all the way out. There we go. And like I said, you could take this and go ahead and download it on your phone from the App Store from Apple, and you can do it for Google Play also. Okay. Here it is. Nice little device. It's got the nice little hole in it so you can put it on your keychain. That's pretty cool, I think. Let's see, we're going to open this up. Nice and hard to open, which means this is not going to fall off of this, and you're going to have it when you need it, okay? USB-C, as you can see. And I'm going to go over here and turn on my phone. I'm using an older phone. Reason being is the case on my other phone is a little bit too narrow to accept the plastic of this device here. So this phone works fine. I'll plug it in. Should go on. I got to find the app now. Let's see. It's connecting, as you can see. I have also done something else. I'm recording this on the screen so you can see it next to me over here. So yeah, it's ready to go, it says. Reconnect. Okay, we're reconnected. It's got the soothing heat. So when it comes out, it's not as hot. It just kind of soothes a little bit. If you have a really bad bug bite, I think maybe I would put it on maybe the other one, which is intense. But you could do it whatever way you want to do it, I'm sure. The directions, you can go online and read all those also. It tells you how to work everything. Duration is how much time, obviously. So we're going to do that just for a short little duration, or do we want to do it for a medium duration? Or do we want to do it for a long duration and just have it go on for a long time? Really neat thing about it, it has a light. I don't know if you can see that there, but it does have a little light that you can Find out where your little bug bite is. Mine's happens to be right here. And then what you do is you push the, I'm going to turn off the light here. You push start to heal from that, and it makes that little noise, makes really pretty little sounds, and it says it's ready. And then we just go ahead and put that right there on the bug bite. Oh my goodness gracious. That felt good. And that's it. Treatment complete. As you can see, the bug bite is right here, and it's better. It feels good, actually. But yeah, that's the bug bite right there. Yeah, ow. All right, doesn't hurt. I said ow because my bug bite itches. Yeah, so it really, really worked well. I hope you guys want to get one of these things. You can find them on Amazon. You can find them on a link below. I'll send you that also. They're not that much money. I think they're $20, but you think 20 bucks is going to last. These things are going to last forever. It's going to be on your phone. You're going to have it on your keychain. You're going to take it everywhere with you. If you're like me, I don't lose my keys too often. Thank God. But hey, you'll have it with you. So this is the Velcor Insect Bite Healer. Yeah, check it out on Amazon.